The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall, skilla!
Mr. Andrewalness, I day have to tell you about your nose big and how your head big and which part of your mother you feel suck. I day have for that. But me notice if a man tell you to suck your mother, fast is your find the address and then reach a station and get locked up. Well, my name Nigel not over. I live at Dunsany in Hatfield, Mandeville, Manchester. Me want to work. Me have 5 subjects. Me have got maritime pre-college. Me have business studies and data incorporation. Me want to work. Can you find me and make me get a work, sir? We fit to my, we suitable to my qualification. The maths and the English. If you check me, me show you them. I better say you're not going to find me, and I better say this not going to go viral. But remember the tell if you suck your mother so fast it go viral. How fast you don't find me? It's a work me want. Me suit on 26. I mean I want to live like rough.
Jalo, viewers and subscribers, anyone who wants to work for their honest money, I respect them. You see? Yeah, I can't find anything wrong with anyone who wants to work for their money honestly. You see me? I say, you know, and I understand the things that he said, no viewers and subscribers. See it? Yeah, I understand that he's saying that as fast as how someone can be brought into police custody for saying disrespectful things about the Prime Minister of Jamaica who goes by the name of Andrew Holness in a video, that's how fast him want a job. You see it? So big him up. Yeah, me respect that. You see what I say? Yeah, me not busy with the rest of things when I say, but the want a job part, me respect him for that. You see it? So big him up. Alright, big up and respect to each and every one. My name is Dancehall skilla. I'm here again. You see it? Yeah, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. And before I get into any of those details or present any of those videos to you, I would like to encourage each and every one who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? Now, I saw a video circulating on social media that shows a person bent down beside a trench. Some persons might call the trench a gutter, or maybe other names depending on where you're located in the world, isn't it? And allegedly it is said that the person is a vendor, and allegedly it is said that the person was washing bottles of juice in the water that is in the trench. Many comments have been made about the video on social media. Some of those comments good, some of those comments bad, you see me? However, I saw another video posted on social media, and according to some information that I got about that video, and according to some things that have been shown and said in the video, I got the understanding that a person talking in the background of the video is trying to let persons know that the other video showing the person bent down beside the trench is not as what it seems. The person talking in the background of the video is trying to let persons know that the person was not washing the bottles of juice in the water that is in the trench. See? But I'm not going to explain everything about the video. I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself. You can also let me know what you think about the whole situation. See? Here's the video. Take a look. Listen and observe.
Good morning, people. I'm here today to show you this is a spot where the vendor was washing his juices, and as you can see, it's a pipe, it's not the gutter he was washing it in. And even so, this case, watch how deep is the gutter. It would have to be in the gutter. You would have to be in the gutter to wash it. And this is the pipe, and he had to turn on here and here, so it's really water to be running. But he fixed it now, so this is it. So I'm very sorry about how it looked, and I hope you people can understand.
Okay. So it's like the person you can hear talking in the background of this video is trying to let persons on social media know that there's a pipe there where the person was at, you see it? And me understand what I say, you see it? Yeah, me understand what I say. However, you have some persons out there in the world who might not think it is a good place to handle bottles of juice or any food items that you're going to sell to the public if you're a vendor, you see? You have persons like that. And you have some persons who will say, oh, Man, I get to youth, you know, that's not my youth, you know, man, big true, You have different persons out there who will think different things about a situation or a place like that to handle bottles of juice or food or so forth. You see, here's the thing though, viewers and subscribers. You see, I'm not going to really and truly explain where the video had been recorded or these videos had been recorded. No, because in my point of view, I think that the videos shows somewhat of an embarrassing situation. You see me? Some persons might know, you see me? And if you don't know, you can ask me in the comment section. I will tell you, but I'm not going to really say it in this video. See? Anyways, you can let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you are about the situation that I talked to you about. And with that, I am going to move on to another video. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video will be recorded somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica. I do not know when the video will be recorded, but this video is about two men who fight with each other because one of those persons didn't like the way how the other person was talking to his own father, or the way how he was treating his own father. Basically, it is said that one person was telling the other person that he should have manners to his own father. You see it? Now, I'm going to present to you just piece of that entire video that is out on social media. You see it? So that you can have an understanding as to what happened between the two persons. You see it? And based on some of the things that you are about to see and hear in the video that I'm about to present to you, I would like you to tell me who you think was wrong. You can also tell me what you think overall about the situation or about the video that I'm about to present to you. See? Now, please bear in mind, viewers and subscribers, that this video shows two persons who was angry at each other. And this video shows those two persons with objects in their hands. You see it? So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video, take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Put on the blood clot here. Put it up. Put on the beer. Put on the beer. Yes, video. Right out the behind. Put on the blood clot here. You understand? Put on the beer. Put on the leg clot here. You understand? Put on the beer. Put on the beer. Put on the beer. Put on the beer. Put on the Don't come near me. Don't come near me. Don't touch him, man. Don't come near me. You see right on my finger? You hear anything? You see right on my finger? You hear anything? Don't touch me.
Alright, now here's my point of views and opinions about the whole incident or the whole video that had been posted on social media. I understand that one of those persons is trying to let the other person know that he should have manners to his father, meaning that he should show respect to his father. You see? However, trying to let somebody know that they should respect someone is good, but forcing the person or physically attacking the person or bullying the person in order to get the person to have respect for a family member or for someone, in my point of view, that approach is wrong. You see it? You can talk to the person, let the person know, say, hey, don't do this, don't do that, but attacking the person or forcing the person or bullying the person. No, I don't agree with that part of it. You see me I say? But me just I tell you what me thinking of viewers and subscribers. You can tell me what you think about the whole video or about the incident. You see it? And you know what? I have some other left it, you know. You can let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.